Are you going to help me start today's vlog? I don't know what day today is. I think it's, who knows. Good morning. Today we check out of the beach house and head home. I don't know what all the plans are for today's vlog. Probably just a whole lot of road trip. Right now we're packing up all the last minute stuff. We have to check out by 10. It's only 8:30. I've been up for several hours because there's just been unnecessary noises waking me up outside and whatnot. Thankfully, I have another one of those G Fuel Friday the 13th hack and slash energy drinks. I bought 2 when I went to GNC, and we used 1 for the Friday the 13th vlog that you've already seen. So I'm going to have the other one today. I already had coffee like 3 hours ago, but it's going to be one of those days I need more fuel. After we pack up the car and check out, we might walk down to the beach one last time and then hit the road. One last quick walk to the beach for this trip. Say goodbye to the ocean. Until next time. Tillamook. We're stopping at the Blue Heron French Cheese Company. We're just going to wander around outside because the outside is pet friendly, but you can't take the dog inside, obviously, because they serve food there. But they have like a petting zoo here and like some old train stuff over there, so we'll get a closer look. Good morning, goats. That's proof that it's pet friendly. Look, there's chickens, llamas, we got a cow out there, we have some donkey, goats. What do you think, Shorty? There. What do you see? Oh. Hello, chickies. Chick, 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 chicks. Okay, so this would be where we could eat with the dog if we were to get food. This is beautiful. Beautiful little garden. Shorty, You can't go in there, honey. I'm sorry. They're closed anyway.
Mom, the trees make a noise.
Yeah. It's a giant rooster. They have a food trailer. Well, that's kind of nice for us with dogs.
Could be if you wanted it.
That looks like a really fun photo op. Shorty, shall we? Come here. Can you see her?
Yes, but I mean, kinda.
Well, hello, pretty. It's okay. We'll keep our distance. Hi. Hello, gorgeous. Good morning. You're okay. What are those? Hi, honey. Oh my goodness, this pig is snoring.
Shorty.
Oh, you just woke up the pig.
Shorty, stop it.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk. Come on. That was a fun quick stop. Now it's time to get back in the car and head back home. I was just looking at Facebook memories like you do. 12 years ago, I put in my notice at my crappy day job, and I've never looked back. I started doing my own thing, doing more event photography and doing Gothic Beagle more full time. I started Gothic Beagle in 2006, but it wasn't until 12 years ago that I took it way more serious and doing more events and more online stuff. I am so excited. I can't believe it's been that long. Sometimes it feels longer and sometimes it just feels like a couple of years. Incredible. Best decision I ever made. About 20 minutes away from our house, and we don't have any other plans this evening. Well, that's not true. I do have plans this evening, meeting up with a friend to go over some photography stuff for an event later in the month, but I'm not going to be filming that. So I think I'm going to end the video here, because when we get home we're just going to be unloading the car and just hanging out. I'm sorry today's vlog was a little bit boring, but you know, it was road tripping back home, so it's a lot of road footage. Sorry about that. But I do hope you enjoyed the previous 2 days of beach footage. That was a wonderful getaway. All right, enough babbling. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogtober. Bye for now.